This time on WWII TV. You're in your backyard clearing out some weeds. You hit a large flat stone. You assume it's an old paving slab until you see the inscription. It's Latin. This isn't a 19th century marker. This just happened in New Orleans, and that rock turned out to be a 1900-year-old Roman gravestone. This isn't speculation. This is a developing story, confirmed just days ago by Tulane University, the Preservation Resource Center of New Orleans, and now the FBI. The mystery isn't what it is. We know exactly what it is. The mystery is how it got there. How does a 2nd century AD grave marker for a Roman soldier named Sextus Congenius Verus travel 5,000 miles from the Roman Empire to a backyard in Louisiana? This isn't a story about lost civilizations or pre-Columbian contact. The evidence points to something far more recent and far more chaotic. In March, homeowners Daniela Santoro, an anthropologist herself, and her husband found the stone. They contacted experts including Dr. Suzanne Luzina at Tulane. The inscription was translated. It identified the man, Sextus Congenius Verus, a soldier from Thrace who served on a Roman warship, the Asclepius, and died at age 42. A quick check of international databases revealed the truth. This artifact wasn't just an artifact, it was a missing one. The stone was documented as belonging to Italy's National Archaeological Museum, located in a port city right on the coast. But that port and the museum with it was almost completely destroyed by Allied bombing during World War II. In the chaos of 1943 and 1944, many of its artifacts vanished. It's easy to imagine the scene: a bombed-out building, rubble everywhere, and an American soldier picking up a heavy inscribed stone, a souvenir of the war, having no idea of its true historical significance. For 80 years, that was the cold trail, a missing artifact, presumed lost or destroyed, until now. When the discovery hit the local news, the final piece of the puzzle clicked into place. The granddaughter of the home's previous owner contacted the university. She confirmed it. Her grandfather, a master sergeant who served in Italy during World War II, brought the stone home. It sat in their family and eventually in their garden for decades. When the house was sold, the stone was simply left behind, forgotten. For the Romans, gravestones were vital. They believed you only achieved an afterlife by being remembered. The evidence in this case didn't rewrite history, it found it. The stone is now in the custody of the FBI's art crime team, which is processing its official repatriation back to Italy. Sextus Congenius Verus, after an 80-year detour in New Orleans garden, is finally going home. That's it for today's video, folks. See you next time, right here on WWII TV.